How you doing, everybody? My name is Dr. Sami Bay. Please welcome back to my YouTube channel. Do you have a narcissist friend? How do you deal with them? That's the title of this video. First things first, who is a narcissist? Narcissist is someone who believes they are more important than what they actually are. These are people who have a high opinion of themselves and they demand that other people admire them while not adhering to any social norms themselves. A narcissist friend is egotistical, they're egocentric, they're self-centered, they lack empathy. It's about me with them. And they have this inflated ego. They want and need constant admiration. They're very arrogant. They use and misuse others. They use you, then they discard you. When you're dealing with a narcissist friend, you know you are dealing with a master manipulator. So, you have a narcissist friend if you realize that they think they're special and better than everyone else. They show signs of grandiosity, superiority, entitlement, and lack of empathy for others. Now, narcissist friends, you realize they have these unreasonable expectations. They expect their companion to fulfill all of their emotional demands. A narcissist friends needs constant admiration from their friend. When the narcissist thinks they deserve it, and you're not giving them enough admiration, then the friendship is in danger. Again, narcissistic friends, they're self-centered in personality and behavior. They value themselves more than others. They think they're above others. They're special. They are more important than everyone else. They feel entitled to lead conversations. A conversation with a narcissistic friend is one-sided. They do not want their friends talking to other people or spending time on anything that doesn't include them. So they tend to isolate their friends. They want to control everything about them. They try to dictate how their friend dresses, what they eat and drink, who they spend time with, who they talk to, who they hang out with. They want to constantly feel in charge of the friendship. Again, a narcissist friend is excessively competitive. They always are looking for ways to one-up their friends. They want to be above their friends. They will brag about their accomplishments. They'll belittle the successes of others. Now, when you have a narcissist friend, you realize that they overreact when things don't go their way. If they feel like someone is not reciprocating the feelings that they have for them, then they will retaliate. They will name call their friends. They will insult them. They might go on other aggressive behavior. Again, narcissist friends, they are envious of others. They'll try to undermine their companions' accomplishments and successes by telling them that they don't care about what is important to them. They want people to think that they are effortlessly superior without really working for it. So by undermining the accomplishments and successes of others, that way they feel they are uplifting theirs. That's why they exaggerate their own accomplishments. A narcissist friend will guilt trip their friends. They will use the guilt card to make their friends feel obligated to do what they want. If you try to say no to your narcissist friend, they will do everything. They'll try anything to guilt you into doing something that they don't want to do. They'll want to use you for their own selfish interests and needs. Again, a narcissist friend is known for their abusive behavior. Physical or emotional abuse should not happen. But a narcissist friend will abuse you verbally, sometimes even physically. So, narcissists can be difficult friends to have. So that's why you need to have some boundaries in place. Because without boundaries, it's going to be tough. Now, how do you deal with this narcissistic friend? Because we know it's very difficult dealing with them. Narcissists believe they are superior and entitled to better treatment than others. So they take advantage of other people by being demanding, being disrespectful, because they lack empathy for others. It is easy for the narcissist to feel okay about doing things that cause pain for others. So the best way to deal with a narcissistic friend is to use logical reasoning and show them that there is a negative consequence for their actions. If the narcissist respects you, then it's possible they'll not act out in harmful ways. So learn to set boundaries, because that's a good way to deal with the narcissistic friend. You need to be firm and stick to your guns in order for boundary setting plan to work. If the narcissist doesn't respect your wishes, your boundary, they'll try anything and everything to make you give up your desire to set boundaries. So if they do that, end that friendship. Again, be patient with them. Be patient with the narcissist. If they're trying to take advantage of you, don't allow them. Don't let them take advantage of the situation. You need to also get what you should be getting, what you need from that friendship. Now, you can also suggest to the narcissist about therapy, because they need counseling, they need therapy in order to learn how to think about other people in a more caring way. If you are not able to help them, then try to get someone who can do it. But you need to protect yourself from their harmful behavior, and you must have assertive boundaries. You have to be assertive in setting boundaries. Again, you can move on. You can end that relationship with that narcissist and move on, though it's very difficult. But sometimes you need to move on, because they will always make you feel inferior and drained. So if the narcissist friend is not able to change their ways, then move on. You're not responsible for the narcissist's behavior. You're only responsible for your own. If you find that you're constantly putting effort into that relationship with your narcissist friend and you're not seeing any changes, then end things. Be assertive and honest with yourself about how you're feeling. They will not be surprised or offended by your decision. End that relationship yourself. So, if you're dealing with a narcissist, just know that your mental health is very important. Your well-being is very important. If you need to cut down ties, you cut down those ties with them. But to conclude this video, maybe I should give you a few things about a good friend. A good friend is someone who listens to you, supports you, and respects your decision. A good friend, they're there for you when you need them, and they don't take advantage of the situation. So if your friend is a narcissist, then they may be demanding and go overboard sometimes. But when you have boundaries in place, it will help that narcissistic friendship of yours. If your friend listens to you, if they respect you, if they support you, and they're there for you, then they're a great friend. Let me repeat that again. If you have a friend who listens, respects, supports, and is there for you, then you have a great friend. Remember, your mental health, that is your psychological, emotional, and social well-being, has an impact on every aspect of your life. Positive mental health allows you to effectively deal with life's everyday challenges. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not done so. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.